Hi artists, welcome back to art. Today is a big day in art because today we are going to start a brand new unit and we are going to be talking about something that I think we all love, which is our very special planet Earth. So, did you know that Earth Day happens to fall this very week on Thursday? Thursday, April 22nd. But some people say Earth Day is every day. All right, so what is Earth Day? You may be wondering, you may be asking yourself. Well, Earth Day is a day where people all around the world celebrate how much they love this amazing planet Earth. They love its animals, people, rivers, and lakes, and oceans, and mountains. And not only do people say, I really love this planet, they also think about and talk about how they can take care of it, keeping it a safe and clean and beautiful place for all of us, animals included. So, remember how I said that this week we're starting a new unit? Yes. All right, so this new unit is all about art around the world, around our beautiful planet Earth. So, we're going to learn about how people in different parts of the world make art, how they show their love for animals and nature in their art. So, it's like we're traveling. We're going to go on a big adventure. So, we're going to pack our art bags and let's go. I'd like to give you a little preview of what we're going to be doing for this unit. So let's put on our art glasses and have a sneak peek at some different works of art from around the world.
We're going to begin our art journey in France, looking at some cave paintings. What do you see when you look at these works of art? Remember, they're painted inside of caves. Super cool. Then we will continue our journey and head over to Australia and check out the Dreamtime paintings there. These paintings also often have animals in them, and sometimes they're called dot paintings because they are full of dots. Then we will continue our journey and head over to Peru and check out the Nazca lines. This photo was taken from high up in the sky, probably from an airplane. Looking down, you can see the outline of different animals and other shapes. And finally, we will also look at some African masks from different countries around Africa. Often they're made of wood and contain beads and bright colors. These are just some examples of some of the places we will travel to on our adventure.
All right, that was super cool. And now I am ready to show you what we're going to do this week in art.
Let's have a look at our amazing home planet Earth. When you look at this image, I want you to notice what you see. So, what colors do you see? What are you looking at here in this photo? I see lots of blue, which is the ocean. I see lots of green, which is the land. And I also see white, the clouds. For today's assignment, you are going to create planet Earth any way you'd like. Let's look at some examples for inspiration. Now, this student used little bits of paper, and it looks like they used little scraps from a magazine to create the greens, the blues, and the whites. That's just one idea. Maybe you like the idea of using your handprints and stamping your handprints. We made some handprint art a couple weeks ago. Or maybe you feel inspired to use sidewalk chalk and draw a big planet Earth outside. The last few weeks, we've been working a lot with Play Doh and clay. So maybe you'd like to make a little planet Earth using green and blue clay. You can create your planet Earth any way you like. Remember, you're the artist. So, my first step was to trace a circle, and I decided to use a brown paper bag. So, I'm tracing with a marker going all the way around, taking my time and trying to keep my circular tray in place so it doesn't wiggle around. You might also start with tracing a circle. You might not. It depends on whatever materials you want to use today. Once I have my circle, I was then ready to paint. I had some blue paint and yellow paint. I mixed the blue and yellow together to make green. Ooh la la. So I started by painting the continents, right? The bodies of land. So I went around, painted the continents with the green paint that I mixed, and then I decided to add the blue for step number 2, the blue for the water. That part was super, super fun. Then I remembered I had a white paper towel right next to me and I wasn't using it. I thought that would be a cool texture for the clouds. Then I had some plants nearby and some of the leaves have fallen off. So I decided to add some green for the leaves and I even added stickers. So here's my finished planet Earth.
Okay, friends, I hope that you have fun with this week's art project, and I'm wishing you a very happy Earth Day. And I can't wait to see you next week for our first stop on our art adventure around the world. All right, until next time, bye, my lovely artist. See you later.